And let me get a couple of implements.
So today, John is going to install the number plate.
Jesus.
Doesn't look like fun. Oh, you won't be on the internet. Trust me. Okay, so we applied some WD-40 to the rubber seal, adding a little lubricity so that the 5704 nameplate will fit and slide in it easily. Starting at one end, sliding it down into position. Just using a plastic implement to not scratch anything. What tool is that you just used?
It's a glazing tool.
Oh, okay.
EMD style.
Nice. Where'd you find that at?
I don't know. We've had it.
Okay. Very cool. All right, so it's in.
Now we gotta lock it.
Now we gotta lock it in. Using the same tool. Or no, we're using the plastic tool this time.
Let me see if I can get it. Nope, it's gonna be like last time.
Wow, beautiful job.
Yeah, I got lucky. It's like Dave says, they're a pain.
Yeah, looks
They
like
are a
it.
real pain, but it's worse of a pain to try and work on something behind this through this
Yeah,
access point.
true.
Didn't want to do that. See, originally, you could access this area from the inside. I think the 108 has the door still. I don't know, maybe not. But anyway,
Would have been convenient, yeah, for sure.
they took those off on the inside and welded over it, plated over them, just for the fact that in a grade crossing accident, even if it was a, flammable liquid, at least it wouldn't blow this out and then blow the front door out.
So yeah,
or
it
the
wouldn't
front,
penetrate the
lift door.
cab.
So,
Interesting. Looks brand new.
well, may have to come off again, but
Ugh.
well, we don't know where that conduit's going to go for the lights.
Oh yeah, so it might come off again.
Shit, I was going to look at that.
Well, at least we know how to put it back on.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, John.
Please support us and share.